This is Abdul Basit Sohail from Lahore, Pakistan. First of all, I want to thank those who already subscribed my channel. Kindly subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming videos related to Islamic banking and Islamic capital market. In these slides, we shall learn about takaful, an alternative to insurance. First of all, before understanding takaful, we have to understand the concept of insurance. It is a contract whereby one party, which is insurance company, promises a sum of money or corresponding benefit upon the occurrence of specified event in return for a money. There is premium to the insured person. Corresponding benefit or money will be given to insured person in return for premium. So insurance concept is based on buying and selling. Buying and selling of what? Here the customer is buying uncertain compensation on happening of uncertain event. Here both compensation and the event are uncertain. Such contracts which are based on uncertain basis are called gharar in Sharia, which is not allowed in Sharia. So here policy holder is buyer and the insurance company is seller. Seller of what? Insurance company is selling uh, uncertain event. So this is the complete list of uncertain items or wearer items that are present in insurance contract. Here seller does not know what he is selling. So this is uncertain, unclear, that is wearer according to Sharia. Here the purchaser also does not know what he is purchasing. Time of occurrence is uncertain. When the event will happen or not. Uncertainty whether buyer will be able to get amount of compensation or not. This is also uncertain. Here the buyer also does not know how much compensation he will get because it will solely depends upon the magnitude of loss. Subject matter is also uncertain as described earlier. Here the customer also does not know how long he will pay premium to the insurance company. So insurance contract definitely lead to unjust loss to one party to a contract at the expense of either party. If the undesired or misfortune happens earlier, so in that case, the buyer will get more benefit as compared to the insurance company. But if the event happens late or if the event doesn't happen, so in that case, insurance company will be benefited. So this is also main issue. Premium paid by the customer or by the policyholder is considered as the income of the shareholder, as considered as the income of company. But so far as in case of takaful, the amount is paid on the basis of tabarru and amount is paid on the basis of mudarba and invested in the Sharia compliant investment companies. Here in insurance contract, all surpluses and profits belong to the shareholder, But in takaful, all the surpluses are goes to the participants. Insurance company have the reinsurance with reinsurance provider companies. In insurance, risk is transferred to one person to another person. If a policy holder gets policy, so the risk is transferred to the insurance company. Insurance has element of gharar as we mentioned in previous slides. So it also has the element of measure and also the element of riba as well. Here uncertainty or gharar element in the transaction of insurance will definitely lead to gambling or measure. Policy holder taking a chance of losing all the premium paid. Insurance is also like a chance transaction because profit or loss to the company depends purely on the chance of happening misfortune. So other the main element that insurance contract has is the riba. Amount collected from policy holders and shareholders is definitely invested in the riba related investments in riba related ways. They charge penalty for late payments. They guarantee return. So these are main elements, main reasons. So that's why insurance is considered prohibited in Sharia. Gharar, Mesar, and Riba. So that's why contract of insurance is invalid and incompatible with injunctions of Islamic law. So let's understand the concept of takaful. Takaful is an agreement among the participants to guarantee jointly that if any of them suffer a loss, misfortune, he will receive a certain amount to meet loss. So that's it is method of mutual help. If you read this definition again, takaful is not contract of buy and selling of uncertain compensation on happening of uncertain event. This is pure agreement among the participants to guarantee jointly, which is allowed on happening of misfortune or some loss. So he will definitely receive the amount or to meet his or her loss. Here the money is pulled from many people and generated and invested in Sharia compliant manner. So the money collected from more people and given to unfortunate few people. In concept of takaful, a customer who wants takaful, he have to enter into two contracts. The combination of two contracts. One is the contract of donation, contract of wakaf, and second one is the contract of mudarba. In the contract of donation, whereby a participant undertake to donate a portion of his contribution in the wakaf or tabarru fund established to provide takaful benefits to any participant who suffers some material loss or damage. So far as mudarba contract is concerned, in which participant undertakes to pay a portion of his contribution to company for the purpose of investment on the basis of mudarba. Takaful benefits are paid from waqf or tabarru But if the fund has insufficient, then deficit is covered from the profit of Mudarba. In Takaful, contributions collected from the participants is invested in the on the basis of Mudarba and invested in the Sharia compliant businesses. But so far as conventional insurance is concerned, that is prohibited in Sharia, they also invest their money in non permissible activities. Here we already mentioned insurance company is not seller, but is if there is a contract of wakala, so then it's wakil here. Or if we do contract on the basis of mudarba, so mudarib here. So policy holder is not buyer in the case of takaful. He is the participant who is doing two contracts, one contract on the basis of donation and second one on the basis of mudarba. This concept embodies element of joint solidarity and cooperation, resembles with the custom of blood money in Sharia, that is the concept of diyat in the early Islamic era. That is the basis of mutual insurance. The kafal is also originated from the word kafala. Kafala means guaranteeing the risk. It is form of mutual insurance. In the takaful, risk is shared rather than risk is transferred. Contribution paid by the participant and under tabarru contract to the takaful fund, which helps other participants by providing protection against potential risk. So in takaful, every takaful company has Sharia board, which supervises and looks after the activities of takaful company. Participant takaful fund is totally segregated from the shareholder account. Investment profit are distributed among participants and the shareholder on the basis of mudarba and on the basis of wakala model in case of wakala model. All the funds are invested in Sharia compliant as we mentioned earlier. So takaful companies always have takaful, re-takaful with the re-takaful companies. There are different takaful models. Wakala based, it can be mudarba based, it can be wakala and tabarru based. May Allah forgive my mistakes in content and concept. Thank you.